Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can generate leads using Google Maps. Now, Google Maps is a very important data source if you have broad queries of information that you would like fitting a certain parameter but don't know what exactly you want. And Google Maps is very relevant for that, because if you want to search for specific business information, you can input a query, get a lot of business information, and most importantly, get the contact information which you can use to kickstart your cold emailing campaigns. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video using DataBar and Instantly. So to start off with, let's select the data set of interest, which is going to be the Google Maps scraper with contact info. So select that and click start. And as soon as your table is ready, you can see you have the request parameters as usual, where you can select the number of outputs that you want. So let's keep it 5 for now for ease of use. And the search query. So the search query, in this case, I'll just keep it as marketing agencies in New York. All right, so once that's good to go, of course, you can schedule this request to make it happen on a recurring basis. But for simplicity, let's just keep it like this and click on Run Query. And in a few seconds, the data should be there. And there you go, the data is there. And you can see base information about each business as usual, such as the business status, owner, location, and a lot of information here. But most importantly, what we're looking for is the contact information, i.e. this, which will be used for the cold emailing campaign. So now the data is fetched from DataBar. The next step is actually just exporting this information via a CSV and using it in Instantly. So now that it's exported, we go to Instantly, and Instantly is really good for automating your cold emailing campaigns and ensuring each email is personalized according to the user's data. So click on leads and click on add leads, and then click on upload CSV, and then just take the exported data and paste it here. And the process file is good to go. Now, it basically tries to match each column and see which is relevant here, but as you can see, a lot of this is do not import, and some of it which it has found is imported. But the relevant one for us is going to be the email, which is this exactly, and the email one name, which should be named first name, and there it is as well. And once you selected all the columns of interest, you can just upload all these contacts to Instantly. And here I have an example email that should be sent out to all of the prospects as part of this campaign. And to personalize these emails, you can just create these bracket components that take the value of first name in this case from each of the data rows and adds that there, so that each email is personalized. And how you do that is, of course, just putting a bracket and selecting the export information. So here's first name, so first name, and then the normal email, and then you save, and then you send the email and begin your campaign. And that's basically how quickly and how easily you can use DataBar and Instantly to generate your leads from Google Maps and start sending those emails out very fast.